Hey everyone, welcome back to the TV Premier Services YouTube channel. I'm Haley, and today I'm going to be sharing with you guys the benefits of journaling. I've been journaling for a few years now, and I have personal experience with life coaches and experts who really believe that journaling is a great way to get to know yourself better. It reduces stress, it's a great way to set and achieve your goals and kind of just vent about your day and kind of clear your mind. So if you're learning or wanting to learn how to journal, this is the perfect video for you. I'm going to show you the prompts that I will use sometimes, and there's really no right or wrong way to journal. It's really a free-for-all. It's for you to get creative and start writing. So I'm going to be sharing with you guys today what a gratitude journal prompt looks like, and it's really great. So let's get started. This is the prompt that I want to share with you guys. It's a gratitude and affirmations prompt. It's a way to bring positivity into your world and remembering what you have to be thankful for. And it really helps just kind of get your thoughts in order. So the first question I will ask before I start this is, how am I feeling today? And then below I will write an I am grateful for, and then I am statement, which is basically just like a confidence boost, like I am smart, I am educated, and I am powerful. This is a really great way to start your day and really believe in yourself. So I hope you guys have enjoyed this video, and tune in next